how to fix Discord not opening. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If Discord isn't opening, here's what you can do. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. Look for Discord in the list. Right click on it and select End Task. Check both the Process and Details tabs to make sure Discord is fully closed. Then check the bottom right of your taskbar. Right click on the Discord icon if it's there and select Exit. Once you've done that, try reopening Discord to see if it works. If not, move on to this. Check for updates on your computer and make sure your system is fully updated. Once updated, try opening Discord again. Still not working? Find the Discord icon on your desktop. Right click it and select Run as Administrator. If none of this works, restart your computer and check again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. If it's still not fixed, search for Add or Remove Programs. Find Discord in the list and click on the 3 dots next to it to uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, head to the Discord website, download it again and reinstall it. And here we go. I hope your Discord is now working. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.